For this video, I will be sharing with you how I washed this carpet. Yes, this carpet is very dirty and dusty, but once I get to the cleaning later on in the video, you're going to notice that it's actually dirtier than what I expected it to be. It was really nasty. It had a whole bunch of things in it, dirt, hairs, you name it. Stay tuned to learn how I wash my carpets or rugs at home. I'm doing my own cleaner at home, so stay tuned to watch all of that. I give you guys a close-up of this rug, that way you have an idea of how dirty it was and then how clean it will be at the end. So I decided to wash this carpet outside because it was very dusty, dirty for me to wash it inside. I'm going to be using my Rug Doctor carpet cleaner. I'm also going to be doing a DIY cleaner that I have prepared at home. Please keep in mind that if you are renting this Rug Doctor, you can call the 1-800 number or check if they will allow you to do your own carpet cleaner at home. I currently own this Rug Doctor, so I decided to use my own cleaner at home to make my own because it's really expensive to buy the cleaner that they have available. What I did first is I just gave it a good vacuum, and I only added water just for the first time that I vacuumed, just because I didn't want to add the soap yet, because I didn't want to mix soap with all of the dust that I was seeing. But all that dust was combined with the water and it was turning into mud. It was really dirty, really bad. Testing 1 2 3. I hope the audio sounds a little bit better. So anyways, what I did is I just used water. That was the first thing I did. And you can see all of that water is turning into mud. It's pretty bad. I will be sharing with you at the end. Just be patient and wait to finish watching this video. Can you see all that dust that's blowing with the vacuum that I'm doing? It was pretty bad. At the end, I will be sharing with you some before and after images. And they are drastically like a big improvement from what the carpet looks like now. So anyways, I'm just gonna be dumping the water out, and when I looked at the water, I was pretty surprised. I'm like, oh no, I have to put this water in a bucket, that way you guys can see how dirty this water is. It's so bad. Like, I really didn't think this carpet was that bad until I started cleaning it. Like, yeah, pretty bad, really bad. And you're gonna see later on in the video that it's gonna be even nastier because hairs and all kinds of junk is gonna be inside that water. So I'm gonna be saving the water and collecting it, I guess you could say, just for a little bit, just so you guys can see how bad it was. Anytime that I use my Rug Doctor or my carpet cleaner, I always do my at-home DIY cleaner, and I always use hot water, very hot water. I just feel like this is the way it cleans it better, and if it has like any grease or anything that's stuck onto the carpet or the rug, I feel like the hot water will kind of like melt it and get rid of it, hopefully. I threw the water because I'm gonna be collecting it or putting it in this bucket later on as well. So I already made my DIY cleaner and I mixed it in with this hot water, which I put in the bucket and then I put in the Rug Doctor. And I'm going to be sharing with you how I did my DIY cleaner a little bit later on in the video. Just forward if you'd like, just to see how I did the DIY cleaner. Cleaning this carpet was a must at this point. I had to clean the filter and the bucket. It was really bad, just so nasty. All that stuff, that dirt, rocks or whatever was stuck in there. Once I dumped the water into the bucket, I put my hand in just to show you guys like how bad it was. Like this looked like chocolate milk. It was really bad. So I put my hand in there and I felt some hairs, and at first I'm like, what is this? Like, this is so gross. Is this some kind of like, I don't know. It was scary just to feel those hairs in my hand. It was nasty. I'm gonna be sharing with you how I made my DIY cleaner at home. Forward to minute 6:55. I'm gonna be using a couple of things that I have at home, and I've used these cleaning products to clean my carpet, the carpet that I have at home. So I decided to use it again to clean this rug. These are the products that have worked for me, and that's the reason why I'm going to be using them once again. I feel like hot water is a must. Hot water, very hot water is a must. I feel like it cleans everything. So right now I'm at a point at just halfway cleaning, and I wanted to share with you guys what the carpet looked like. I'm hoping you guys could tell that there are some parts that look a bit cleaner than others, as you can see here. I haven't got closer to the edge because it's really hard and the carpet was crumbling a bit, so I had to add some weight on the end of the carpet, that way it wouldn't crumble and it would let me do the cleaning. I'm gonna be adding some soap, some Tide soap. It's about, what is it, 1/4 of a cup or possibly 3 tablespoons. These are, you can just use any measurements. It's not really like an exact must measurement that you really need to follow. I'm using this cleaner from the dollar store. This removes blood stain, grease, wine, liquor, gum, all kinds of things, pet stains. This one is the name Awesome, but there's also like this other degreaser that they have at the dollar store. And again, I'm going to be using about the same measurements of the Tide of this degreaser or cleaner that I bought at the dollar store. I'm also going to be using some OxiClean, again about maybe 3 tablespoons. I did use quite a bit of that, and I think I made a whole bunch, but I'm just going to be mixing it into that water, to the hot water in the bucket, and then I'm just going to be replacing it with clean water every now and then once my Rug Doctor jug gets full. So yeah, the top part is just where the water is being suctioned into that bucket, and then that's the one I dump out. The clean water goes in the bottom. And as I mentioned before, please make sure, if with the person you're renting it or the store where you're renting your Rug Doctor, that you can use this cleaner. Like I said, this is what's worked for me and it's worked well. But you might want to ask if you're renting it, because I know that some places they don't allow you to use your own cleaner at home. You have to buy what they have available at the store. As you can see here, I'm showing you just an image of what it looks like before. I already cleaned the right side quite a few times. I already went over it maybe 3 to 5 times, a whole bunch of times. And the left side, I haven't went over it as much. I just wanted to show you guys that comparison of a before and after. And that's with cleaning. I had already cleaned the left side maybe about 2 times already. So my hands were shaky because of the Rug Doctor. I've using it for almost an hour already. So I decided to take a quick break and then just get back to it right after. I don't know if this is going to be surprising to you, but this was surprising to me when I saw a whole bunch of hairs on this carpet. Like, I couldn't believe it. This is the actual dirt, hair, all this stuff that was in this carpet. Look at the water, how dirty it is. This is how bad it is. And I want to keep using my Rug Doctor or my carpet cleaner until I get a bucket of clean water. That's when I will know that my carpet is actually getting clean. Once I start to see clean water. Look at all this. I kind of gave you a close-up of that way you guys can get an idea of how much hair was in this carpet. And like I said, when I just thought about cleaning it, like I never imagined that it would be this dirty or that my carpet had gotten this bad. Look at how bad that is. Oh wow, this is really bad. So I'm just gonna keep cleaning and washing my carpet, and I'm just gonna be moving the bucket a bit, that way you guys can see that the water is still coming out dirty. To dry my carpet, what I did is I just left it to air dry outside. It was pretty, pretty windy, pretty hot, so the carpet did dry quite fast, but I left it outside all night. I don't have any pets outside, so I just left it outside, and by the next day the carpet was clean. And one thing I forgot to do that I do recommend is adding Downy or a fabric softener. That way your carpet could smell good. Now that's something that I missed and that I would have, or that I will do in the future. And right now the carpet's it's getting cleaner, so it's not going to be stinky, but I think that's something that I would have added for next time. Just a tip or advice for you guys that are cleaning your carpets or your rugs at home. I'm just going to let you guys finish watching this video. May God bless you all. I hope you guys have a great day. Take care, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.